So this is what we call the section technique. So we have number from 1 up until 9, meaning we have 9 sections. So we call this first section as section 1, section 2, section 3 up until section 9. That's how we define the sections. So here we have the extract of results from UK 49. We are going to do the same exercise we did on the previous 2 techniques. So we're gonna start with the 19 results, and we'll be looking for sections that we can maybe find in these results. So let's begin from the lunchtime row. We have 46 and 10. This is 46 here, and we have 10 here. Let me change the color so that we can see. We have 10 and 46, which means this is section A. And we have 23 and 41. This forms part of section 5. Here's our 23 and 41. Then we'll move to the second results. On the second results, we have 18 and 45. This is section 9. Here's our 18 and 45. Then we continue to look whether we can see another family. I don't see any section. So let's proceed to the second results. On the 20th, I can see we have 1 and 28. This forms part of section 1. And we have 40. We have 40 and 49. This is section 4. And then I don't see any further section. Let's go to the tea time on the 20. I see we have 22 and 13. Then we have 49. This is part of section 4. Then I don't see any further section. Let's go to the 21st. From the 21st, I can see we have 29 and 2. This forms part of 29. Here's our 29, and here is our 2, and here is our 2. So this forms part of section 2. So without dragging this video further, that's how we analyze the results versus the section. We can see that the sections also form part of our results.